Our newest listing at 209 Duck Blind Avenue in Wylie, Texas, is located in Hunters Cove neighborhood and perfectly positioned between two prominent lakes, just minutes from Highway 78. Let's take a look inside. The spacious layout of this home gives you just shy of 3,300 square feet with a large kitchen and enormous island with seating. It adjoins the two-story living room and gives 4 generous-sized bedrooms, plus an entertainment room that's ideal for game or media. One of the great benefits of this location is that shortly, all of the schools will be within walking distance. We hope you'll take a moment to schedule a tour of this great home, and if you have any questions, contact the Birdsong Group.